Did you know that the golden spice in your kitchen, turmeric, could potentially help protect your vision? In today's video, I'll walk you through how turmeric can benefit your eye health and the best ways to use it. Let's dive in. Turmeric's secret weapon is curcumin, a compound known for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. But how does this help your eyesight? Studies show that oxidative stress and inflammation can damage our eyes, contributing to issues like cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Curcumin may help combat these factors. How to use turmeric for eye health. Let's make a delicious golden milk. Here's how. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to warm milk or a plant-based alternative. Add a pinch of black pepper. It contains piperine, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Finally, mix in a teaspoon of coconut oil or any healthy fat. Curcumin dissolves in fat, making it easier for your body to absorb. Stir well and enjoy before bedtime. Remember, curcumin isn't easily absorbed, so always combine turmeric with black pepper or healthy fats. And as a safety tip, if you're pregnant or on medication like blood thinners, consult your doctor first. Now I'm going to reveal a 12-second morning ritual that naturally sharpens eyesight in as little as 7 days. Without surgery, lenses can see more clearly and in more detail, even at night. This solution works no matter if you're 41 or 81, and no matter how long you've suffered with poor eye health. So this 12-second vision restorer is Eyegenics Eye Supplement. Eyegenics is the first and only supplement to target the real root cause of vision loss, using turmeric with all 12 supernutrients to help give you new eyes in just 7 days. This ritual is safe and scientifically proven to work. Try it today and see the results for yourself.